have a good day to all of you. Welcome to Focus Asia with me, Calvina. Cambodia has officially opened the new Techo International Airport, a $2 billion Chinese-built project that aims to revive the country's struggling tourism industry. The airport, located 20 kilometers south of Phnom Penh, replaces the capital's old facility and is expected to handle up to 13 million passengers annually, with a long-term goal of reaching 50 million by 2050. On September 9, the first flight, an Air Cambodia jet from China, was greeted with a water cannon salute. Traditional Khmer dancers welcomed 160 passengers as they disembarked, passing under the airport's modern steel grid-sail roof designed by award-winning British firm Foster and Partners. Officials said the first phase of development cost $2 billion. The project, covering 2,600 hectares, was jointly funded by the Cambodian government and the Overseas Cambodian Investment Corporation. The old Phnom Penh International Airport, which has been in operation since 1959, was permanently closed due to capacity limitations. Techo is the second major airport to open in Cambodia within 2 years, following the $1.1 billion terminal near Angkor Wat in November 2023. However, the San Malcolm Tafnut NGO estimates around 2,000 households have been or risk being displaced by the project, raising concerns about land and livelihood losses. Tourism accounts for a significant share of Cambodia's economy. Last year, the country welcomed 6.7 million international visitors, generating about $3.6 billion. Analysts say the new airport is designed not only to boost tourism, but also to cement Cambodia's position as a growing aviation hub in Southeast Asia.